XRP to $1,000 sounds impossible until you actually do the math. Not emotional hopium, not random moonboy guesses. This is about liquidity math, real world use cases, and how XRP was engineered to scale with the entire financial system. Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Today, we're going to dive into XRP. When you hear $1,000 XRP price target, these price predictions are generally shut down with why that can't happen and stating that the market cap would have to be this price and how it's impossible. But here's what most people miss. XRP doesn't need $50 trillion in raw capital to reach $1,000 because of something called the market cap multiplier, where every dollar coming into XRP can move the price 50x to 200x based on supply, liquidity, and trading depth.
Breaking news. Ripple, Coinbase, and Kraken donated combined $7 million to President Trump's inauguration. We had Coinbase contributing $1 million, Kraken contributing $1 million, and Ripple contributing $5 million via the XRP token.
Let's say just $5 billion flows into XRP from institutional sources. With a 200x multiplier, that creates a $1 trillion in market cap growth. Now spread that across 50 billion XRP tokens, you're looking at a price around $20. Now, what if $100 billion comes in from ETFs, CBDC corridors, tokenized assets, and banks adopting the XRPL? That math quickly gets you into the hundreds of dollars, and if utility scales to even a fraction of global liquidity markets, $1,000 XRP is just math. XRP isn't just another crypto. It's built to act as the bridge asset between currencies, between blockchains, and across borders. We're talking about unlocking trillions in trapped liquidity, replacing SWIFT, and facilitating instant settlement at scale. Financial giants, from banks to central banks, are exploring or already testing XRP's infrastructure. And when XRP becomes a core layer of global financial plumbing, the price doesn't move based on hype. It moves based on global throughput.
Settlement between banks. So today, if Morgan wanted to send the $10,000 to London right now, the fastest way for her to do that is to drive to Newark or JFK and fly it there. Our view is, in a world of the internet, you can stream video from the space station. You should be able to do real-time settlement between banks, and we sell technology to banks to do that.
And the banks are getting on board with this because they know there's a lot of paper pushing and also a lot of money attached to those settlements.
Now let's be clear, $1,000 XRP won't happen overnight. This requires real adoption, volume, legal clarity, and time. But if XRP becomes a standard for remittances, cross-border liquidity, CBDCs, and tokenized asset settlement, that kind of value has to be reflected somewhere. And with such a limited supply, that value shows up in the price per token. People laughed at Bitcoin at $1, Ethereum at $10, and now they laugh at $1,000 XRP. But the smartest investors understand, and it's not about what a token's price is today, it's about what problem it solves and how big that problem actually is. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you in the next one.